You'll want to change your needle for about every 8 hours of sewing. Occasionally you'll want to swap out your needle if it's become dull or if you've changed fabrics. These are universal regular point needles, and they're your standard needles, useful for medium weight fabric such as cotton, silk, and other non-stretch woven fabrics. Ballpoint needles are useful for unique knit fabrics, stretchy or delicate fabrics, such as spandex, stretchy knit, and sweatshirt fleece. These are heavy-duty needles, and these are useful for piercing thicker fabrics such as denim, leather, and vinyl. To take out the current needle, make sure it's raised to the highest point, and raise the presser foot. Push the presser foot release lever, and remove the current foot. It's useful to place a piece of paper on the needle plate so that the needle does not accidentally fall into it. Find your screwdriver in the accessory tray. Place one hand on the needle and place the screwdriver into the screw of the needle clamp. Give it a few turns to release the needle. Insert your new needle. Place the screwdriver back into the screw of the needle clamp. Give it a few turns to secure the needle. Remove the paper and replace your foot. Now you're ready to sew with your new needle.